We have a question here. F of x equals ax cubed minus 7x squared minus bx plus 24. All right. The factors of this polynomial are x plus 2 and x minus 3. So now we have been told find the values of a and b. Okay. So since x plus 2 and x minus 3 are factors, all right, we're going to equate f of x, okay, this polynomial, we're going to equate it to 0, okay. So first we're going to work with the first factor, x plus 2, okay. So as always, to get the value of x, which we replace into the polynomial to make the polynomial 0, we say x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, then we take 2 to the other side and we say x equals negative 2. So what this means is when we substitute x for negative 2 into this polynomial here, right, we're going to get 0, all right? So as I said, we're going to equate the polynomial to 0. So f of x will make it 0, and we'll say equal, all right? Now we're also going to substitute x equals negative 2 into the polynomial. So we're going to have a times negative 2 cubed minus 7 times negative 2 squared minus b times negative 2 plus 24, right? Plus 24, right? So let's solve, right? We're going to say negative 2 cubed gives us negative 8, okay? Negative 8 times a, we get negative 8a, okay? Negative 2 squared, that is positive 4. 4 times negative 7, we get negative 28. Right? Negative 2 times negative b, we get positive 2b. Right? Plus 24. Right? So we're going to say negative 28 plus 24. All right? Negative 28 plus 24. That will give us negative 4. All right? So we'll say negative 8a, all right, plus 2b, right? Negative 28 plus 24 we get minus 4, all right? So we're now going to take this negative 4 to the other side because negative a plus 2b, we can't operate on this. So we're going to make an equation out of this. So remember, we have 0 on our left hand side, so we take negative 4 onto the left, it becomes positive 4. So we're going to have negative 8a, right, plus 2b, right? So this is, we're going to make this as our equation 1. make this as our equation 1. So now we go to the other factor, which is x minus 3. Okay, we do the same thing that we did. We do the same thing. All right. We're going to say x minus 3 equals 0. Right. We're going to take negative 3 to the other side, so we're going to say x equals 3. All right. So when you substitute x equals 3 into this polynomial here, all right, you are supposed to get 0. All right. So we're going to equate f of x to 0. All right. Just make a dividing line here. All right. We're going to equate f of x to 0. All right. And then we're going to substitute x for 3 into the polynomial. So we have a, right, 3 cubed minus 7 times 3 squared minus b times 3, right, plus 24. Right. So 3 cubed is 27. So we say 27 times a, we're going to get 27a. Right. 3 squared, that is 9. 9 times negative 7, we get negative 63. 3 times negative b, we get negative 3b. Plus 24. All right, so we're going to say negative 63 plus 24. All right, negative 63 plus 24. We're going to get negative 39. All right, we're going to get negative 39. So we're going to say 27a we're going to say 27a minus 3b. All right, and we say that negative 63 plus 24 gives us negative 39 minus 39. All right, so we're going to take this negative 39 onto the right side, so we're going to say 39 equals 27a minus 3b. So this is our equation 2. So now we're going to use simultaneous equations. Right, we're going to have to use simultaneous equations to find our value of a and b. Right, so let me just make space here. Right, so we've got negative 8a plus 2b equals 4. And we've got 27a minus 3b equals 39. Okay. So I can see these two equations can be simplified further. Okay, let me just simplify them further to make life easier. Right. So for this one, negative 8a plus 2b equals 4. If we divide throughout by 2, we're going to remain with negative 4. Okay, I'm just simplifying these two equations so that I can solve easily, right? So negative 8a divided by 2, we get negative 4a. And negative 4a. 2b divided by 2, we get b, negative 4 plus b equals 2, right? Equals 2. So I've simplified this one, right? Even this one was simplified further. Let's divide throughout by 3. 3 divided by 27, that's 9a. 3 divided by 3b, that's b, right? Equals 3 divided by 39, that's 13. All right. All right. Now we can simplify our equation further. All right. If we add equation 1 and equation 2, right? We're going to add equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, so when we're solving simultaneous equations, we're going to add, we're going to say negative 4a plus 9a. That is going to give us negative 4a plus 9. That will give us 5a, right? B plus negative b, all right? So this negative and positive become negative, so now it becomes b minus b, all right? Remember, integers, negative and positive give us negative, so it becomes b minus b, and that gives us 0. So we have crossed this out. Then 2 plus 13, that gives us 15. Right, then we divide by 5. So a is going to give us 3. All right, 15 divided by 5, that is 3. Okay, so our value for a is 3. All right, now I want to find the value for b. So we can substitute a equals 3 into any of the equations. So I'll substitute a equals 3 into equation 1. Okay, I'll substitute a equals 3 into equation 1. Okay, so let me just make space here. Right, so equation 1 is negative 4. Okay, negative 4. Remember, a is 3, so it's a negative 4 times 3, right? Plus b equals 2, right? Negative 4 times 3, that's negative 12, plus b equals 2, right? So we take the negative 12 over to the left-hand side, right? So that's going to become positive 12. So say b is going to equal to 2 plus 12 and B equals 14. So our value for B equals 14. Okay. So if we replace A and B into our polynomial now, we're going to see that this becomes, we said our A is 3, so it becomes 3x cubed 3x cubed, right? And our B is 14 minus 14x. So that is our answer. The -1